Easy English Basics series. Lesson 2. Hello, everyone. Define grammar. Grammar is the set of rules and principles that govern the structure, composition, and usage of language. It encompasses the way words are organized into sentences, how those sentences convey meaning, and the relationships between different elements of language. Essentially, grammar provides the framework for communication, enabling individuals to express themselves clearly and effectively within a given language system. Key aspects of grammar include syntax. Syntax refers to the arrangement of words and phrases to create well-formed sentences in a language. It involves understanding the rules for word order, sentence structure, and the formation of clauses and phrases. Morphology. Morphology is the study of the structure and formation of words, including how they are built from smaller units called morphemes. This includes prefixes, suffixes, roots, and other linguistic elements that contribute to word formation and meaning. Semantics. Semantics is concerned with the meaning of words, phrases, and sentences within a language. It involves understanding how words and language constructs convey specific ideas, concepts, and relationships. Grammar rules. Grammar rules dictate how words and sentences are formed and how they should be used to convey meaning accurately. These rules cover areas such as tense, agreement, punctuation, and word choice. Pragmatics. Pragmatics deals with the practical aspects of language use in context, including how language is used to achieve specific communicative goals, convey social meaning, and interpret implied meaning based on situational and cultural factors. Grammar is essential for effective communication because it provides the structure and guidelines necessary for conveying ideas accurately and comprehensively. Mastery of grammar enables individuals to construct grammatically correct sentences, express themselves clearly, and interpret the language used by others within the framework of the linguistic system they are operating in. Grammar rules. Understanding grammar rules is essential for clear and effective communication. Here's a broad overview of some fundamental English grammar rules, covering various aspects of language use. Parts of speech. English words are categorized into several parts of speech, each serving a different role in a sentence. The main parts include nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Sentence structure. A standard English sentence typically follows a subject-verb-object (SVO) order. However, sentence structure can vary to emphasize different parts of a sentence or for stylistic reasons. Subject-verb agreement. The subject and verb in a sentence must agree in number, singular or plural. If the subject is singular, the verb must also be singular, and if the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. Singular, the dog barks. Plural, the dogs bark. Tenses. English has three main tenses: past, present, and future. Each tense has four aspects: simple, continuous, progressive, perfect, and perfect continuous. The tense and aspect of a verb indicate the time of action or state of being. Articles and determiners. Articles, a, an, and the, and determiners, words that can come before nouns to indicate quantity or specificity, are used to refer to nouns. A and an are indefinite articles used with singular, countable nouns, while the is a definite article used with both singular and plural, countable and uncountable nouns. Pronouns. Pronouns replace nouns in sentences. They must agree with the nouns they replace in number, gender, and case. Types of pronouns include subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and relative pronouns. Adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives describe nouns or pronouns, while adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Adjectives do not change form based on the nouns they modify, but adverbs often end in l, y. Prepositions. Prepositions show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. They can indicate time, place, direction, and other relationships. Conjunctions. Conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses. Coordinating conjunctions, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, connect elements of equal importance, while subordinating conjunctions introduce dependent clauses. Punctuation. Punctuation marks, such as periods, commas, question marks, and exclamation marks, organize and clarify written language. Proper punctuation is essential for understanding the structure and meaning of sentences. Passive and active voice. In the active voice, the subject performs the action expressed by the verb. In the passive voice, the subject is acted upon. The active voice is generally clearer and more direct than the passive voice. Direct and indirect speech. Direct speech quotes the exact words spoken by someone. Indirect speech, or reported speech, paraphrases what someone said without quoting them directly. Conditional sentences. Conditional sentences express hypotheses and their possible outcomes. They often use if to introduce a condition. There are several types, including zero, first, second, and third conditionals, each serving different functions regarding reality and possibility. Understanding and applying these grammar rules can significantly improve both written and spoken communication in English.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and share to receive more videos like this in the future.
Grammar basics. Parts of speech. Verbs. Words that describe what the subject is doing. Action. What we do. Saying. What we say. Sensing. What we think, feel, and perceive. Relating. How we create links between information. Existing. How we refer to things that simply exist. The bird is flying. The bird is flying. Bird. Subject. Noun. Flying. Action. Verb. The bear is peeking. The bear is peeking. Bear. Subject. Noun. Peeking. Action. Verb. The sloth is swinging. The sloth is swinging. Sloth. Subject. Noun. Swinging. Action. Verb. The girl is diving. The girl is diving. Girl. Subject. Noun. Diving. Action. Verb. The puppy is snoring. The puppy is snoring. Puppy. Subject. Noun. Snoring. Action. Verb.